Next question here, producers. Buying 100 shares of Amazon is too expensive for me, so I'm considering a poor man's covered call for bullish exposure with defined risk. With earnings tomorrow, how would I choose the long and short call so one big move doesn't throw me off the full setup here?
So this is near and dear to my heart. Buying 100 shares of Amazon is too expensive. Then you go to a zebra. I look at a poor man's covered call completely different than everybody else. You want to pop in the platform, I'll show what I'm doing so that you can get some extrinsic value too. Open up the 23-day, Chris. I'm going to see if I can do this. Open up the 23-day. Sell 1 to 27.5 call.
Oh, always on the put side.
Yeah, you love the put. So 1 to 27.5 call. And what am I getting for that? Then you're going to try to buy 250 deltas or wash the extrinsic value. So let's look at the.
Let's open up the deltas here on the tab.
Okay, buy two. What am I getting? Buy 217.
217s.
Calls.
And I'll do two of you.
So buy one, sell two. Okay, so this is going to replicate stock pretty quick. This is replicating stock. You can tackle it. It really is. Now, this would be my stock portion of the trade. So you're using $2,292. Still kind of expensive, but a poor man's covered call is going to be wrapped around there as well. But a poor man's covered call, you're washing extrinsic value. By using this as a poor man's covered call, this is your stock replacement. Keep this up. Now close this and go. I mean, don't close this, but close this cycle and go to the zero day, the one with the earnings in it.
It'd be 2 days then.
2 days. Go to 2 days and then sell at the expected move call. So go to the 242.5 or 245. And add that up.
240. One of them.
Yeah, there you go. So this is bullish. You have, if owning 100 shares is too expensive for you, this is a way to manipulate legit 100 shares of stock and selling something against it. You're getting the extrinsic value of the near term. You cannot lose to the upside. You can lose to the downside because this is replicating stock. This is replicating a covered call for less capital. I know it's a complex trade, but look up a zero extrinsic back ratio. It is a very powerful tool once you learn how to use it because it truly is a stock replacement for less capital.
Right. I mean, for the long call, you usually want more duration here. And for your short call, you don't want it to be too close to at the money.
Yes.
Because if this thing gaps open and runs higher, you got a little bit of an issue on your hand here.
Not if you don't. If it runs higher, you don't have an issue on your hand.
Well, I mean, if it goes up to like 250, 270?
No, there's no.
Days?
You can never lose. You can never lose on this trade, Chris, because you have stock. That 23-day is a stock replacement. So there is no scenario in which to the upside you can lose money on this. So this is a true stock covered call replacement.
Oh, okay. So what I'm thinking is the way that I view this is like this should become a capped mess if this rallies too far too fast tomorrow.
Conceptually, I want you to think of it. You have a covered call. You own stock. So when I read this, they said it's too expensive to own stock. So this
Yes. Okay. Yes.
is an options way to own stock and sell something against it. You cannot lose to the upside.
You're pointing out the buying power here is $2,000. If you wanted to own 100 shares of Amazon at $228, that's going to be only $23,000 out of your account.
And so this is my forte. This is, you give me like complex options are my wheelhouse. Like economics is not. Complex options, if you want to own stock, that I can do.
That's why we're a good team.